In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Notion account. Notion is a versatile tool that can help you organize your thoughts, projects, and everything in between. So let's dive into how you can get started with your own account. First, you'll want to head over to the Notion website. You can do this by visiting your preferred web browser and typing in notion.so. Once you arrive at the Notion homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and it will take you to a new page where you'll have the option to either log in or sign up. Since we're creating a new account today, go ahead and click on Sign Up. This is typically located near the bottom of the login page. Clicking Sign Up will direct you to a registration form where you'll be asked to provide your email address. This can be any email address you regularly use, as it will be the main way Notion communicates with you. Once you've typed in your email, Notion will send you a verification email. So it's a good idea to have your email inbox open in another tab or on your phone. Check your inbox for an email from Notion, which should arrive almost instantly. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as occasionally emails can get lost there. Now, if you prefer to use an existing account with another service, Notion offers the convenience of signing up through Google, Apple, or Microsoft. You can select one of these options instead of typing in your email, which might be quicker if you're already logged into one of these accounts on your device. Just click on the respective button and follow the prompts to authorize Notion to access your account details. After you've completed the verification or authorization steps, Notion will guide you through the final steps to set up your account. You may be asked to provide some additional information, such as your name or how you plan to use Notion. This helps tailor the experience to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Notion account. You can now start exploring the platform and take advantage of its powerful features to organize your life, whether it's for personal projects, work, or school. Remember, Notion is highly customizable, so take your time to experiment with its tools and templates to create a workspace that truly fits your style and needs. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Notion's Help Center is a great resource to consult. Enjoy your Notion experience, and happy organizing!